Tempeh is a fermented soy product that's a popular vegetarian meat replacement. However, vegetarian or not, it can be a nutritious addition to your diet. High in protein, prebiotics and a wide array of vitamins and minerals, tempeh is a versatile ingredient that comes with a variety of health benefits. Tempeh is a traditional Indonesian food made from soybeans that have been fermented, or broken down by microorganisms. Following fermentation, the soybeans are pressed into a compact cake that is commonly consumed as a vegetarian source of protein. In addition to soybeans, tempeh may also be made from other bean varieties, wheat or a mixture of soybeans and wheat. Tempeh has a dry and firm but chewy texture and a slightly nutty taste. It can be steamed, sautéed or baked and is often marinated to add more flavor. Much like other meatless sources of protein, such as tofu and seitan, tempeh is a popular choice among vegans and vegetarians because it's packed with nutrients. Tempeh boasts an impressive nutrient profile. It is high in protein, vitamins and minerals but low in sodium and carbs. Because it is more compact than other soy products, tempeh provides more protein than some other vegetarian alternatives. It contains prebiotics. Fermentation is a process that involves the breaking down of sugars by bacteria and yeast. Through fermentation, the phytic acid found in soybeans is broken down, helping to improve digestion and absorption. Unpasteurized, fermented foods may contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that may provide health benefits when eaten. However, tempeh is fermented using a fungus and is usually cooked before eating. Additionally, commercial products are pasteurized. For these reasons, it contains minimal amounts of bacteria. However, tempeh seems to be rich in prebiotics, types of fiber that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. It's high in protein to keep you full. Tempeh is high in protein. 1 cup 166 grams provides 31 grams of protein. Some studies suggest that a protein-rich diet may stimulate thermogenesis, leading to an increase in metabolism and helping your body burn more calories after each meal. A diet high in protein can also aid in appetite control by increasing fullness and decreasing hunger. One study found that high-protein soy snacks improved appetite, satiety and diet quality compared to high-fat snacks. Additionally, research shows that soy protein can be just as effective as meat-based protein when it comes to appetite control. It could decrease oxidative stress. Studies show that soy isoflavones also possess antioxidant properties and may reduce oxidative stress. Antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, atoms that are highly unstable and can contribute to the development of chronic disease. The accumulation of harmful free radicals has been linked to many diseases, including diabetes, heart disease and cancer. Numerous studies have shown that isoflavones could reduce markers of oxidative stress by increasing antioxidant activity in the body. It can promote bone health. Tempeh is a good source of calcium, a mineral that is responsible for keeping bones strong and dense. Adequate calcium intake may prevent the development of osteoporosis, a condition that is associated with bone loss and porous bones. Tempeh may not be for everyone. Tempeh, along with other fermented soy products, is generally considered to be safe for most people. However, some individuals may want to consider limiting their intake of tempeh. Those with a soy allergy should avoid tempeh altogether. Eating tempeh may trigger an allergic response for those allergic to soy, which could include symptoms like hives, swelling or difficulty breathing. Additionally, soybeans are considered a goitrogen, a substance that can interfere with thyroid function. Though studies show that soy intake has little to no effect on thyroid function, those with impaired thyroid function may want to keep intake in moderation. Both versatile and nutritious, tempeh is easy to incorporate into your diet. Tempeh is typically marinated or seasoned to increase flavor, then crumbled, baked, steamed or sautéed and added to dishes. It can be used in everything from sandwiches to stir-fries. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give us a like and make sure to subscribe and leave a comment and we will make sure to answer you.